So I just have one question. How many people are ready for Valentine's Day? Can you answer? Hello? Hello? Well, I am. I have my What Boyfriend t-shirt. I got my heart, bamboo earrings. I got my Valentine's Day beat, and I'm ready. Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Nikki, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back, and thank you so much for supporting this channel. I truly love you guys so much, and I appreciate all of the support that you guys give me. So y'all, I cannot believe we're in the month of February already, and it is almost Valentine's Day. That is so crazy to me. I just cannot believe it. I just can't believe it. I'm sorry, I cannot believe it. But anywho, I decided to do a Valentine's Day makeup look. I wanted to get about 2 done by now, but I got a late start because I haven't been filming. I'm really just trying to, bounce back and just get back to myself. As you guys know, I was sick and I was just battling with so much. So now that I somewhat kind of feel back to myself, I decided I have to get back on the ball. I thought that during my time off work I would have more time to film videos and I would have a lot more content filmed, but I just kind of took that time to really rest as much as I could, because it was like one day I was up, next day I was down. One day I was up, next day I was down. It was so much going on, so I was just like, you know what, let's just take this one step at a time. Let's not try to do too much. Let's not try to overdo it. Let's just do what we do and let it do what we do, I mean, I don't know what else to say. But anywho, you guys, I am back with a Valentine's tutorial. I promised myself that I would at least do a Valentine's Day tutorial this week, and I will also get back on to my weight loss journey vlogs, because I haven't been working out. I haven't really had the energy, but I have still been eating right. So I'm going to update you guys on my weight, what I've been doing, all that good jazz like that. But anywho, you guys didn't come here to hear me ramble about my weight or about not feeling well, because I know you're like, oh my gosh, she's been sitting in the last video. How many times we got to hear about her not feeling good? Like, come on now. So I'm gonna give the people what you want. I'm gonna give you what you want, and you want to get into this makeup tutorial, hence the reason why you clicked on this video. So before you guys leave this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit the notification bell beside it, so you never miss an upload ever from me. Why wouldn't you want to see me? I'm just saying. But anywho, if you guys want to see how I got this look, of course, just continue to watch.
No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of her best friend's ride, try to holler at me.
Baby girl, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. You see it in my dreams.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills.
So
rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no.
Well, Monday, where the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm.
So please have mercy on me and take it easy on my heart.
Like controller,
Cause all we need is somebody to lead on.
girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel.
She caught me on the counter,
It wasn't me,
saw me banging on the sofa.
cause I've been up all night, no sleep, cause I feel like I'm always dreaming.
Who do you love, and are you sure?
Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me? Just forget the world.
So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
Jealousy sea, turning saints into the sea. But it's just the price of pain. Destiny is calling me. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I bet you smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of our best friend's ride. Try to holler at me.
Baby girl, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. You see it in my dreams.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no.
Well, Monday, where the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm.
So please have mercy on me and take it easy on my heart.
Like controller, controller.
'Cause all we need is somebody to lead on.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel.
She caught me on the counter,
It wasn't me.
saw me banging on the sofa.
Cause I've been up all night, no sleep. Cause I feel like I'm always dreaming.
Who do you love? And are you sure?
Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me? Just forget the world.
So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
Jealousy, turning saints into the sea. But it's just the price of pain. Destiny is calling me. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I bet you smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new.
I'm in love with the shape of you.